everyone. My name is Diana Paula Diaz Mesa. I am Today I am going to talk to you later about the legends of the Nia. Legend out is that a deed bandit of the distant Chinese New Year. A feat began with a best called Nia. We can see it in the following imagine. Yes, what can see that it is as the bodied a ball and the lion hat. In fact, it appeared incredible. It was said to be a wild and ferocious animal that lived in the mountain as super big Houston. In the winter season, this first animal notices that it is house notices to eat. When to that begins, though it lives took cropped at even children. Yes, the Binger lived in the terror unity they raised that Nia was afraid of the color red, fire, and noise. That why there is this tradition that the business of the Chinese New Year, the villagers put up red learning and the red teaching to the scared why is the furious animal. In incredible legend of the night, uh, I am like, thank you.